What are you, Kason?
A cowboy.
A cowboy?
I'm full, okay? The cowboy's going to...
What do cowboys say? No, that's what a cow says. What does cowboy say? What does Woody the cowboy say?
Hee-haw! The cowboy's tired.
The cowboy's tired?
Yes.
Is he retiring?